When I was 19, I went to Tanzania in East Africa and I met a BBC film crew, and it was that kind of ping light bulb moment, and I went, I want your job. Hi, I'm Sophie Darlington and I'm a BAFTA award-winning wildlife filmmaker, and this masterclass is going to give you a little bit of insight into what I do and how I do it. The first episode is Know Your Subject. The second episode is all about light and position. Our third episode is about camera techniques. The fourth episode is how you use editing and technology. The fifth episode is about tips on what will help you when you're out working. The most important things to get right when you're filming are make sure your focus is good, your horizons are straight, and one of the things I love to see is an animal has a bit of room to look into. A lot of people put things centrally. Always put your animal so its nose has got a little bit of room. The thing I'd love for people to take away from these videos is that you'll come away with a sense of the sort of tips and techniques that are going to be useful to you in the field. So let's get started.